इतना अच्छा बात करते हो, मेरा बेबी भी बहुत इम्प्रेस हो जाता है। लव यू, थैंक यू।
मेरा न्यू ईयर तो मन गया, बाकी देख लो। दिलराजू सर, this one's for you. You know, for the first time in Indian cinema, we saw something like a pre-release event, and that too so massive in Dallas. US चले गए सर आप पूरी की पूरी टीम को लेके. What do you have to say, sir?
या सबको नमस्कार. गेम चेंजर के साथ आई वांट समथिंग न्यू. उसमें सोचे क्या कर सकते हैं. सब लोग इंडिया में सब जगह कर रहे हैं ना, चलो सीधा अमेरिका में करेंगे बोल के डैलस में प्लान की.
And the response that you've gotten, sir, over there is like mind-blowing, overwhelming था वो. Talk to us about that.
या एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी इवेंट डैलस में हुआ, जो ऑलमोस्ट मोर देन 12,000 क्राउड. ऑडिटोरियम बाहर भी भीड़ था, सो उतने रिस्पांस मिला. और ऑलमोस्ट 4 आवर्स इवेंट, सब लोग एंजॉय करते. फाइनली इवेंट जबरदस्त बना.
सर सब कुछ जबरदस्ती होता है, जब आप कर देते हैं कमाल हो जाता है. दिलराजू साहब के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए प्लीज. आ रहे हैं, बहुत बवाल होने वाला है. व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से ऑन दैट?
So, you know, Shankar sir made a remake of Three Idiots in South. It's called Nanban. So when they released in Telugu, I was the chief guest for that. I was sitting right. It's a small story. I just want to share. I was sitting next to Shankar sir, and मैंने ये सोच रहा था कि अरे, कैसे बोलूँ शंकर सर, एक मेरे साथ नहीं, किसी के साथ भी इट्स ओके, बट जस्ट मेक ए तेलुगु फिल्म. सिर्फ तमिल फिल्म बनाते हो एंड मेरे डैड के साथ बनाओ या एनी ऑफ माई कंटेम्प्रेरी हीरोज, बट वो बोलने के लिए आई डिडंट हैव द गट्स ऑल्सो. एंड आफ्टर कपल ऑफ years then I get a call from Mr. Rajgaru saying, Shankar sir, I was doing last or 2 schedules of RRR I was working. Then Raju sir comes to Ramoji Film City where I was working. He says, Ram, Mr. Shankar wants to work. I said, huh? Yeah, baad mein bolenge. He said, hello. क्या बाद में बोलेंगे? ये शंकर सर है. He said, आपके पास क्या है? शंकर सर आएगा. Then I got to know it is really Shankar sir. It's like, shit, Raju sir, call right now. So it is such a dream come true for me. We all have been watching his movies growing up. Recently Mr. Rajmouli sir also said he's the epitome of commercial films, the larger than life. He has defined what is the global film and global cinema, the pan-India cinema. He was the first pan-India director we had. Hats off to him, and I'm so blessed. And yeah, I don't know how my dad will feel, but yeah, I'm very blessed. He should have done it with dad. So I'm very fortunate, and it's a blessing to work in just 5 years to work with a director like Mr. Rajmouli Garu and then Shankar. As an actor, it is so enriching, and it's so much to learn from both.
There's no now Shankar sir. क्या difference है?
Thank God, difference. You didn't compare them. So both of them are taskmasters. Both of them expect a lot from each and every person, and especially having such beautiful actors. He is one of the craziest person and the craziest actors I've met. He is. And he just said he saw the song and he saw Kiya, and मैंने तो producer का ये देखा था उसपे. So I think both Mr. Rajmouli sir and me, Mr. Shankar sir, both are taskmasters. They give you every opportunity perform करने के लिए and to be your best. It is very rare to work with such talent, and they keep pushing you always. And there's not one day where थोड़ा relax होने का time मिलता है. नहीं. Every day, even if it's a single shot. I remember one day I was sitting with Shankar sir saying, "Hi Ram, coffee pe?" Yes, अभी first day था. Then he was having a coffee, I was having a coffee, and suddenly he started looking, not at me, at my hair. And he called assistant director, he said, "Is there वो iPad लेके आओ." And he's looking at the iPad and this thing. I said, then मेरे को मालूम पड़ गया, he's not talking to me, वो character के साथ बात कर रहा है, राम नंदा. I said, then he started touching me. It's very intimidating when somebody touches you like this. I said, I can't say. He said, कुछ बदला क्या? क्योंकि iPad में जो आपको पिक्चर ने भेजा था वो कैरावन में exactly नहीं था ऐसे. I swear to God, it is only 5% difference from what he said. But he's so particular and he's so master at his craft. Even that 5%, it doesn't matter. And even if you're Mr. Rajnikant ji or Kamal Hassan ji, he worked with, or myself, doesn't matter. He's so particular. So that's what I enjoyed working with him. And that's something.